Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the essentials. Sign in and confirm 2FA so payments go through. Once done, open the mobile app and go straight to the live stream you want to support. Make sure a payment method is saved, card, Google Pay, or Apple Pay, because the Superchat flow will prompt it immediately. You do this now to avoid interruptions, otherwise you may stall at confirmation. Tap the chat input to reveal the Superchat or Super Thanks option and get ready to select an amount. Next, you choose how much to send and why. Select a preset or type a custom amount to control visibility and priority. Once selected, customize the color and duration so your message stands out. This affects how long it pins and how it looks to viewers. Make sure to preview the chat appearance, because contrast and length matter for readability. Check the currency and any fees. If you hit limits, adjust the amount or shorten the message. Then tap Confirm to proceed to payment. Finally, review the summary and authorize the payment. Use the saved card or biometric approval to complete quickly. After confirmation, you'll get a receipt and your message should pin. Watch the stream chat to verify timing and visibility. If the super chat doesn't appear, make sure funds cleared, retry with a different payment method, or force close and relaunch the app. If problems persist, clear app cache and check network. Then repeat the payment steps, because small glitches often resolve.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.